Now which one do you want, Maggie? Just get the green one.
They're mad dogging each other. Ew! Why are you trying to kiss me? The pig. Kiss my ass. What the fuck? Why? Really? Okay, I choose Pikachu.
Let's go.
I chose the blue one.
We chose the blue one. Walking.
And then I break it.
Right? You're like, I don't want this one anyway.
It was a sign. I would make it like that was a sign.
Like so dramatic.
Oh my god. See? Do all this decision making?
Go to the 10 items or less.
Go to the 5, you mean?
Alright, that would too. And if they don't want to accept this, just split with the guy. We're buying the piggy. Maggie's buying
stickers for my kids for the summer. So
her Wonder Woman.
Yes.
Some chalk so we can play.
And my piggy. My perfect little piggy.
See how OCD Maggie is?
You know what?
Can we have some gum, Mom?
I was thinking about it too, but I don't know. It's too expensive. Look at that. There's nothing that's like 99 cents. Oh.
Nothing here. Oh, look, this one is.
Try them white. Wow, they were trying to steal my piggy. Did you see that?
Alright, we're buying piggy. Okay, bye. Say bye.